Hi my babies, how are you doing? It's me Janamber and welcome back to my Dermaroller video, guys. Today I'm going to be using 1mm Dermaroller. I am going to Dermaroll my face. This is updated video. If you have not seen my first video on 1.0 Dermaroller, I will highly recommend you to go there and check out that video and then to come back here because this is a little bit advanced. So 1mm Dermaroller, what it does, it helps with the wrinkles. Number one, it helps with the acne scarring. You can dermaroll also your scalp. This is a great size to increase your hair growth. Dermaroller increase hair growth in your scalp, not on your face, and it's overall good to improve the skin health. So I've been struggling lately with the skin. I have like some sort of I have psoriasis, so sometimes when I eat something or I stress a little bit more, it's coming out. So oh, and I forgot, this is amazing for your pores. If you have a pores right now, my skin is really not the best at this moment. This is actually a great reason to show you that my skin is also not perfect. Sometimes when I stress, especially when I stress, it's just my skin goes crazy, and it's fine, you know, it's fine. You guys know me, you know how I look without makeup and stuff like this. I'm not worried about that. So quickly I'm gonna go through and show you what we're going to need. What you're going to need today, you're going to need a cleanser. I use a BHA exfoliating cleanser, which is amazing before microneedling. Yes, you can use this cleanser before microneedling. Is gentle and it's not very abrasive. It's really good. I am going to be using alcohol pads because I can't find alcohol right now anywhere, so I had to grab alcohol pads with the 70% isopropyl alcohol. Then I have lidocaine. It's also from drugstore, from Walgreens. Lidocaine pain relieving cream. Lidocaine, this is how it looks like. You can take a screenshot of that, or you can have Amazon. For Amazon, I'm gonna list down below. I'm gonna be using my vitamin C booster, which is natural, organic, and you wanna use something, you don't have to use mine, but you can preferably, I would highly recommend to use something natural. Then I'm gonna be using rose water spray before the serum. It's very good for redness and moisturizing and relieves that all the kind of, you know, inflammation. Then I'm going to, and I skipped Dermaroller, I skipped most important part, and I'm gonna be using 1mm Dermaroller. That should have gone before serum. And then at the end, I'm just gonna be using, instead of cream, a moisturizing sheet mask, and I'm just gonna go lay down and watch TV. I use cleanser like an hour before because it takes an hour for me to set the camera, prepare everything and stuff like this. So this is, I already used that one, and we're going to go and jump right now to alcohol pads. And I'm just gonna take a few of them. You have to disinfect your skin with 1mm Dermaroller. 1mm Dermaroller cannot be used more often than once a month. If you're extremely advanced, you can use once every 3 weeks. But if you are older than 45, 50 years old, you shouldn't use more often than once a month, because usually older skin, you know, mature skin, it takes a little bit longer to rejuvenate. You basically cannot use 1mm on the forehead. But if you are advanced, this is advanced video. If you're very advanced, you've been, let's say, dermarolling for over a year with my Dermaroller, not with any other Dermaroller, or I will say if you really know that your Dermaroller has real individual needles, then you can do these things that I'm going to tell. So on the forehead, yes, advanced people can do dermarolling with 1mm. You just have to not apply pressure like at all, no pressure at all. So I never use this. I am so kind of scared and excited to see if it's going to numb my skin. So I'm just going to apply my cheeks. Since I'm not going to push too much, apply too much pressure on my forehead, so I'm not gonna apply this on the forehead, but I'm gonna apply everywhere on my cheeks, and you can apply it together with me right now while you're watching. Dermaroller is really good, guys, for keeping your skin healthy. So many people, like so many of my friends, they say you don't need Dermaroller, you don't need anything for your skin, you look good, you look young. I mean, I'm, you know, mid-30s. I do look like mid-30s, and it's okay, but I don't know what will be if I didn't take care of my skin. I don't know how my skin would look, you know, right now without Dermarolling. It doesn't say how long I should sit here, but I will sit, let's say, for 10 to 20 minutes, and I will come back to you guys once my skin is numb. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes and I have a wet cloth. This is the best way to remove numbing cream, and my skin is numb, but not that numb as I will expect. The other numbing cream that I have is much better. I kind of feel numb. It's been like 25 minutes, but still not like very numb. So I'm gonna have to do everything like quickly. But the best part is Dermarolling, and I will go on the forehead super light without any pressure at all, like this. Don't mind this is mosquito bites. I was last weekend in the island. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without pressure at all. Are you doing with me? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you go. Always remember, guys, you have to lift Dermaroller. If you don't lift Dermaroller, I'm not gonna say. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I kind of wanna, like a horse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit red, that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna start with this cheek the same way, horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't want to go next to the eyes at all with 1 millimeter, not even close, not even think about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so on the cheek you apply a little bit pressure, not much, but you apply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I missed something here, so you can go extra. And let's go here the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. You guys doing with me? A little bit more pressure. Don't forget, I cannot apply too much pressure because this numbing cream is not working. Oh my god, that's why it's so cheap. It was like $6, and that I buy from Amazon is like $20. So that's the difference. When you pay less, you get less. Okay, so what I do right now, basically I'm gonna go on my brows a little bit to increase, not to increase, it's going to increase brow grow as well, but to lift. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to lift my lids, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, I don't go like this because you might gonna scratch the skin. I go like this and then this, and I do the same with this brow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Damn it, I feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then because my issue right now, the main issue is my jawline. So I have like, and they are not aging evenly. Some part it has more wrinkle than the other one. I mean, it's fine. I'm getting older. I'm not getting younger. So I'm going to like make that. I see where I have lines. marionette lines, laughing lines, so I'm gonna go extra love over there 5 times each. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. People say you should bleed. No, you shouldn't. If you have real needle dermaroller, that needles are super like super tiny. My hair was there, see, that's not good. That's where you have to disinfect your skin. You never know. And my hair is not even in my face right now. That's why you have to disinfect. And if you have real needle dermaroller, it's going to penetrate much deeper into your skin, which means you're gonna get better results and less scarring and no bleeding. Bleeding doesn't mean that you have better results at all. So I'm giving extra love on this jaw over here to tighten up. And I do the same on this side. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and extra love on the jawline. So not much pressure at all, like 1 2 3 4 5, all the direction. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 is good. It's going to shrink the pores that you have. And a little bit here. For the neck, I will say this size is a little bit too big, unless you're doing really gentle, but no, I wouldn't recommend. 0.75 max. This one for the neck is not good. This is amazing also for the body. If you're starting to dermaroll for the stretch marks, this is great for your stretch marks. It's great for the hair growth. I wouldn't start this right away. I will highly recommend to start with a 0.5 whatever you're doing, and then jump to 0.75. You know, guys, I always say start with the smallest size. Is the same. Your skin is the same. Like you go to the gym, you're starting exercise, and you don't start with 100 pounds. You're starting like, you know, with 10, with 20, then later with 30. You gradually increase. The same as dermaroller. You want to start with the smallest size. Unless you start with this dermaroller, unless only 2 options. Unless you have really deep wrinkles, which you are older than 50 or 60 years old, or you have really bad, like really deep acne scars, like very deep. I can insert picture what this means. Deep acne scars is this and this. With the acne hyperpigmentation, post-acne hyperpigmentation, you want to start with 0.5. So these are only 2 options that you can start the size dermaroller. Beside that, never ever please start. And please know how to use dermaroller. Mistakes to avoid: after, don't go to sauna, don't go to work out. It's nothing wrong that you're gonna work out, but it's going to sweat and it's going to irritate your skin. When you irritate your skin, it doesn't feel right. It's like you're overstressing your skin. You can, but it's up to you, but I don't recommend. What you strictly want to avoid after the dermaroller is sun. Don't go to the sun for 48 hours. Hide from the sun as much as possible. Even at home, try to be away from the windows. Third day, if you have to go somewhere, walk your dog only at night. 6 in the morning when it's no sun, at night when it's no sun. If you have to go outside, go only on the day 3 with a lot of sunscreen, with the hat, with the sun protection, with the mask, with the glasses, with everything. I can insert a picture right here how you should look when you go after microneedling outside. Exfoliate. No any kind of exfoliation at all for 3-4 days. No peels, no acids, no scrubs, no microdermabrasion, nothing. About fillers, some people ask, you can do fillers right away after microneedling, but if you want to do microneedling after fillers, you have to wait 2 weeks. What else? So meanwhile, I'm thinking I'm gonna spray rose water. It's antibacterial, anti-redness, moisturizing, is perfect. And then I go to a booster, vitamin C booster, which is antioxidant, is the best the best product to use after microneedling. But you have to know one thing, not L-ascorbic acid. Do not use L-ascorbic acid, which is a form of vitamin C. This is vitamin C, but this doesn't have L-ascorbic acid. This has sodium ascorbyl phosphate ingredient, which is bioavailable and it's very natural, and it's not irritating, and it's not drying, and it's not making you red and stuff like this. So you have to know what kind of vitamin C you want to use after. I highly recommend to use product that has sodium ascorbyl phosphate, like this, my serum. So I'm taking 2 pumps. This is very watery, so you have to work quickly, very gentle tapping, nothing crazy. Like this, I'm applying. I'm going even to the eyes. As you see, my face is just slightly red. It's not like a lot of red. I didn't go like crazy. You can apply more pressure if you have better numbing cream that I had. Yeah, but how the pressure should be, it shouldn't be like, you know, this is what shouldn't be like. No, you don't do this kind of pressure. Your pressure of the Dermaroller should be like when you shave your legs, you know, when you kind of have a long hair, you haven't shaved for like 2 weeks, you shave it, you kind of apply a little bit of pressure, but you don't push that much the razor because you know it can cut your skin, right? So this kind of pressure you should apply on your skin while you do dermarolling. And so after serum, I can spray again, and then the entire bottle is going to be finished after dermarolling. I mean, I love this after dermarolling. And then I'm using Genumber Beauty Soothing Smoothing Skin Superfood Sheet Mask that has the beautiful vitamins. So basically, if you're taking vitamins internally, you want to have vitamins externally. It has all the kind of beautiful natural vitamins, and it doesn't have fragrance. You don't want to, guys, apply anything that has fragrance because it's going to irritate your skin crap out of the shit of your skin. Like, you gonna cry. It's gonna burn your skin if you use fragrance in any product after microneedling. And me as an esthetician and a skincare brand owner, I will highly recommend to toss away any skincare product that has fragrance. It's highly irritating. I've been using products with fragrance basically all my life, and I was thinking these people are nuts that they say don't use fragrance. I wish I cut fragrance 20 years ago from my skin, because that's why I have redness. It's not only because of that, but that has influenced my skin in the negative way. Irritated, sensitive skin is a consequences of the fragrance. So, and basically I'm applying this mask and I'm gonna go to watch some movie. I'm literally going to keep the mask for like an hour or 2. It's great hydrating mask. It basically doesn't get dry. It's very good after microneedling. It's a really luxury, high quality mask. It's made in Korea, the best country to do sheet masks. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. All the products that I used today in this video and all the links to the other important videos and information is going to be down below under this video in the description box. Please subscribe if you haven't. You will help me a lot. If you like this video, share with your friends. And I love you guys so much. I hope you can maintain the beauty, the health of your skin, because healthy skin, you feel pretty inside, outside, and this is what it matters for us, all the women. We just want to feel good, look good, and feel confident, right? I love you guys so much, and I'm ending this video looking like this, like a little clown right now. Where should I go? Ooh, I have a big mirror over there. Hi. What if I want to walk my dog right now like this?